Hello everyone, welcome to Developers and Coders Club. Myself Vishal Singh, and today we are going to discuss a problem named chat room. So this is the problem statement. This problem is basically saying that you are given a string, and what you have to do is you have to delete several characters from this string. And if you manage to get a word hello, then you have to print yes, otherwise no. That's it. And if you manage to get a word hello from this string, then you have to print yes, otherwise no. And one more thing, the size of the string lies from 1 to 100. Always keep this thing in mind, the size of the string. Okay, so let's move to the logic. Here's the example. What you have to do, what you have to do in this question is, firstly you have to check for the edge, first edge, and you have to store its index. Okay, let us assume the first index is at I. Now you are going to check for E. So in which range you are going to check for E? In this range only. Wherever you got the first edge, after that, from that, after that index plus 1, means if you got the edge at ith index, then you have to check for E from I plus 1th index. Okay, I plus 1th index, and let us assume that you got E at some jth index. Let us assume that you got E at some jth index. Now in which range you are going to check for L? You are going to check for L in this range, in j plus 1th range. J plus 1th range, you are going to check for L. Okay, in the similar fashion you are going to check for second L and O. That's it. So this is the simple logic. And one more thing, why I told you always look for the this type of things, because we are going to apply brute force directly here. No need to think waste time. We are going to directly apply brute force here. So this is the simple code. Firstly, we took the input sin s, and after that we stored the size of the string. And here uh, I got my first edge at ith index, and I am creating a for loop, but this time my for loop will begin from I plus 1th index. Okay, and when I got when I got E at jth index, this time my for loop will begin from j plus 1th index. Okay, in the same fashion we are going till L plus 1th index. Okay, and once we have got this pattern HELLO, we're simply going to break the loop and see out yes, otherwise no. Hope you got the solution. Thank you.